Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Vridhi Finance. We are presenting Archean Chemical Industry Limited IPO 2022 by Vridhi Finance. Dear investors and viewers, yes, we have uploaded the predictions about the GMP. Yes, last week we have missed out so many IPOs, and that's the reason we are putting the GMP with IPO subscription. Not subscription, but overview of IPO details in the deep analysis, where our stat is about the GMP. So if our GMP becomes a true, we will upload another videos. Wait and watch. So this company Archean Chemicals is basically into what they do. They are into exporting material, okay, and they are having like they are exporting so many countries like it's kind of salt and all, okay. So they used to sell their products in Qatar, Belgium, South Korea, China, etc. So we will focus little bit more on this IPO, and we will talk about their group of promoters entities. Over here is Auric Holding Pte Limited, Archean Chemicals Private Limited, AGPL Investment Pte Limited, Archean Design and Development Private Limited, Archean Fertilizer Private Limited, Archean Industrial Private Limited, Archean Minerals Private it's not PTE Limited, then Archean Salt Holding Private Limited, Vidha Holdings Private Limited, Bharat संयोग सॉल्ट कॉरपोरेशन लिमिटेड, केमिका स्पेशलिस्ट LLP, कोर मिनरल प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, गुड नेविगेशंस प्राइवेट लिमिटेड, and Good Earth Maritime Limited, Jersey. Okay, this is in Jersey. So Greenergy India Private Limited, Hullet Resource Private Limited, KGF Granite Private Limited, Opera Holdings Private Limited, Score Chemicals Private Limited, Senfer Investment Limited, Total Maritime Design Private Limited, Wind Energies Private, it's a limited, okay. Windmill Resource Private Limited, Vishaka Shipbuilding Private Limited, Core Minerals, and Orient Resource. So we are going to talk about apart from that, we already covered this Bharat Salt and Refineries Limited, CloudGen Digital. This is their group of companies: Archean Industry Private Limited, Archean Salt Holdings Private Limited, Bhuvidha Holdings Private Limited, Bharat Salt Refinery Limited, CloudGen Digital Private Limited, Good Earth Maritime, Chakhaus Salt Private Limited, and Sea Salt Holding Pte Limited. Okay. So apart from that, they are export oriented business in 6 months, where on 30th September 2021, the fiscal year 2021, 2020, and 2019 for fiscal year, all these three, 68.13%, 74.41%, 74.41%, and 80.39% respectively from the operation attributed export to the sales. Since 6 months ended on the 30th September 2022, they have exported their product into 13 countries including China, Japan, South Korea, Qatar, and rest of Asia. So their name of customer is Unibrom Corp, Chinese trading company, Chinese chemical company, Shandong Tian Chemicals, Tiani Chemicals Corporations is their bromine customers, where their industrial salt customers are Sojit Corporation, Chinese Chemicals Company, Indian Trading Company, and Wanhua Chemicals. Okay, these are their clients for industrial salt. So basically they are exporting bromine and industrial salt, and apart from this, their entities of already we have covered this, the entities group. Anyways, So we are focusing on their financial revenue from the operations. They are having total number of 255 employee, over 200 are on contract, and the revenue from the operations we will talk about actually, yeah, after tax. Okay, we will talk about only revenue from the operation on 30 September 2021. It's a 4505.10 in rupees of millions. Fiscal year 2021, 7407.64 rupees in millions. Fiscal year 2020, it's a 6081.70 rupees in millions, where fiscal year 2019, it is 5655.06 in millions. So this is all about their revenue from the operation. We are not going to talk about their profit or loss after tax and all already, okay, because every business have this kind of expenses and expenditures, so there is no use to talk how they do it, how they manage their assets or anything. Anyways, we are going to talk about their company detail over here. So Archean Chemicals Industry Limited company detail. This company basically originally as Archean Chemical Industry since 2003 on 20th November, and they have changed their name in 2009 as Archean Chemicals Industry Private Limited after on 14 July. They are based in Tamil Nadu at Chennai, where they have again the change name and private limited to public limited becomes 15 November 2021, and they have received the fresh certificate for the same on 15 December 2021. Their register and corporate office is 2nd North Crescent Road, T Nagar, Chennai 600017, Tamil Nadu, and their website is www.archeanchemicals.com. So now we are focusing Archean Chemicals Industries Limited details, IPO details basically, and in this case we will see that promoters are Chemicals Specialist LLP, Ravi Pendurthi and Ranjit Pendurthi, where the opening date of this IPO is 9th November 2022, closing date is 11th November 2022. Basis of allotment date is 16th November 2022. Initiation of refund will happen on 17th November 2022. Credit of shares to your demat account 18th November 2022, where the listing date will be on 21st November 2022. We have seen this quite large gap in listing and the issue opening. Anyways, the face value is 2 rupees per share. Price band is 386 to rupees 407 per share, and the lot size will be minimum you have to apply 36 shares. Issue type is book build issue IPO, listing at NSE and BSE. So we are going to talk about this Archean Chemicals. So subscription prediction for Archean Chemicals Industry Limited. We can say this company probably up to 30 to 40% may get subscribed by this IPO, because anyways, whatever the subscription comes, we will come back to you very soonly. There are a number of IPOs into the market, and people do not have anything to rush to the market, multiple IPOs. So it's the investors by choice, okay. Archean Chemicals Industry Limited strategy rating by Vridhi Finance, and we will give this company around 2.1 or 2.2 maximum. That's it, because yeah, they are doing a good business. They will give a good return on the day of listing probably, but the thing is that they needs to, yeah, they have explored their market across the globe, yes, absolutely, but it is an APAC region, and apart from that, we must say Archean Chemicals Industry overall we are talk about this and cut the points over here and domestic presence. Okay, so domestic people's probably not much, we can't take it. All the strategy rating is based on their web presence, as we say over here. Thank you, by Vridhi Finance. We will come back to you with the GMP. Wait and watch. Till the time, have a great day. Good night. Sweet dream. Bye bye. And yes, absolutely. If you like our channel, you can subscribe it. Yes, we have uploading. Yeah, I believe it. There are two different technologies available into the market right now: the IPO and the GMPs. And we have uploaded one of the DCX systems already into the GMP predictions, so you can watch that video. And other than, we are uploading another one video, so wait and watch. We will come back to you with the GMP for Archean chemical industry very soonly after the closing of issue. So guys, our start probably may fail to deliver your prospective pricing target, or it can be achieved, or it can be overachieved too. Wait and watch. So it's not a magic done by us, it's all about just a start given by us. Probably it can be failed too, we are not responsible for that. And yes, this is the first company which is exporting to the China, because many times we have seen that Indians are importing from the China a lot of material and all. But it's good to, we have to focus on our economy, should focus on the exporting material across the globe and gain the lot of foreign currencies to stabilize Indian economy.